Stranger here, and today we're tackling some fractions with variables in the denominator and in the numerator. So without further ado, here we go. We actually treat these very similar to the other problems. We have to get a common denominator. So here for the first one, that begs the question, what's the common denominator between x and 8? Well, that would just be 8x. Okay? And if you want, we'll have a video on finding the least common denominator, or the LCM, of algebraic terms. But just for clarification, we can treat this as a factor and this as a factor, and we just put them together, more or less, here in this case. And x and 8 really have nothing in common, so we just multiply them together. So here, if I multiply, what do I multiply by to x to get 8x, and that would be an 8. So an 8 gets multiplied to the top and bottom here. And then what do I multiply to an 8 to get 8x? Well, that would be an x. So here, 8 times 3 is 24. And 7 times x is 7x. So we just keep going forward here. And we just add the numerators like usual. We have 24 plus 7x is equal, or is over 8x. Here on the next problem, all we have to do is find the common denominator again, and we are subtracting 1/4 and we are subtracting 1/12. So here I can say, what is the common denominator between 6, 4, and 12? Well, that is 24. Actually, I'm incorrect there. That is 12. Sorry. Wanted to shoot a little high on those. So here I have to ask myself, what do I multiply to 6 to get 12? Well, that's a 2. What do I multiply to 4 to get 12? That's a 3. And what do I multiply to 12 to get 12? Well, that's just a plain old 1, and that just remains the same. So here 2 times a is 2a, and 3 times 1 is 3. Now I just combine these together. I say 2a, and this might be a little tough, so we can actually put together in this format right here. We can say 2a minus 3 minus 1, and that's all over the common denominator of 12. So here if I just put these together, I'm combining like terms. So the a is not a like term with the 3 and the 1, so I can only put the 3 and the 1 together. Since they're the same sign, I say they go together to be -4, and that's over 12. This can be reduced, however, because 2, 4, and 12 all have something in common. They have a 2 in common. They're all even. So I can divide 2 into each of them, striking them all down. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, or just a. 4 divided by 2 is a -2. And 12 divided by 2 is a 6. So the final answer is a minus 2 over 6. These are a little bit more complicated, but you just treat them with the same rules you treat the other ones. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me. Thank you.